Introducing the aluminium solar farm mounting system from Haina Solar, engineered for maximum durability and efficiency. With a robust design and a 25-year product warranty, this system offers peace of mind and long-term reliability. Designed for easy, secure installation, it also features a Class A fire rating, making it suitable for a variety of environments. This mounting system accommodates both framed and unframed panels, as well as portrait or landscape panel orientation, providing flexibility for different project requirements. Furthermore, with a tilt angle range of 0 to 60 degrees, it can adapt to various geographic locations and solar angles, making it a great solution for farm sites with uneven terrain. Built to withstand extreme weather conditions, this system boasts a wind load capacity of 216 km per hour and a snow load capacity of 1.6 kilonewtons per metre squared. Also, its stainless steel, small parts and aluminium supporting structure ensure corrosion resistance and structural integrity over time. Haina Solar, one of China's leading solar mounting manufacturers, is focused on providing innovative solutions for photovoltaic installers. Our goal is to create sustainable communities worldwide through our range of premium quality products.